Hey y'all, it's Jerry here again at University Tire. We got a great customer's car here today, Richard Miley. He let us have a little fun with this car. We put a lowering kit on here today, coilovers, custom, 20x9 wheels, niche Masanos, 255/30/20 tires. Just wanted to tell him thank you so much. Go try the fish and chips, they're amazing.